Om Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Bhagavan Shri Satyasvabhaya Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Shanishraya Namaha. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Osai Zubajit. Today I am going to tell about the most awaited elections in the country that is going to happen on November 3rd, 2020 in the United States. As you know that right now the current president is Donald Trump, who is one of the powerful leaders in the world, and many hoping that the election will change the destiny of the country and many things in the world. As per the current situation, as you know, his leadership is gaining more trust. On November 3rd, the opposition Democratic Party nominee Joe Biden will be their contestant along with Donald Trump for the US election. So in this video, I will tell you who will win the election for the coming event. So before I proceed, I would request you to subscribe to my channel for future notifications and like the videos. So from the Donald Trump horoscope, his birth chart says that he is Scorpion moon sign and the sun sign is Gemini according to the Western astrology, and according to the Vedic astrology, Taurus is the sun sign. Right now Jupiter Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha, and at the time of election Rahu Prayantardasha will be there. And Rahu is one of the important planet that plays an important role to gain the election, to win the election. When he was born, at that time Rahu and Ketu was exalted, and in a Kal Sarvi Yoga dosh was there in the Donald Trump horoscope. That makes him unique person. He has a strong determination and motivation to take strong steps because of the Rahu is very much strong in his horoscope. And on September 23rd, 2020, again Rahu and Ketu will be in the exalted position in the entire horoscope, and for his horoscope also it will be in exalted position. So you can say that from the point of Rahu and Ketu and the position of Jupiter, Saturn and Rahu, it is most favorable that he will win the election. There is another way that why he will win the election, because right now he is unable to control the situation of coronavirus in his country, but still why people will believe him and why people will give the love and respect for the election this year. The reason is that in his horoscope Mars is also quite strong, Mars planet, which is Mangal planet. Because of Mars, he will use some weapons or some things related to machineries like petroleum, like guns or missiles. He will gain some trust, or he have to use that to stop some enemies that can happen. And before the election, within the October month, he will have use of something to restrict the enemies to enter the country, and also restrict to affect the country overall. So he will vote for some countries. He will support countries like India, mostly in the war-like situation with China. Because of that or some other reasons that can happen, which will gain more trust, and people will believe that he has the capability to do big. And as per the Joe Biden horoscope, his horoscope is also quite good, but right now in this election, as his ascendant is Capricorn and Saturn placed in his Capricorn ascendant only, so it is making him weak, and it will give some adverse effect for him, which will not be able to win the president election this time. So overall, it can be said that from the horoscope of Donald Trump and comparing the horoscope with the Joe Biden, it can be said that he will win the election again this time and hold the president seat for the next 4 years. I hope and wish Mr. President Donald Trump for his success and victory that he is going to have in this November 2020. And as per my analysis from the horoscope and the astrological aspects, I am very much sure that he will win the election this time. and many things will change after his winning. As per my previous prediction, as per the coronavirus and other things, you can see that as per my prediction, everything happened in that way, and hopefully this video will also be helpful so that you get a good way to see the astrological aspects. I would request once again to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.